In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to revert a commit on GitHub. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's dive right into it. Reverting a commit is a common task in version control that allows you to undo changes made by a specific commit while keeping the commit history intact. This process can be easily managed using GitHub Desktop, which provides a user-friendly interface for handling your Git repositories. First things first, open GitHub Desktop and make sure you have the repository you want to work on already selected. Once you're in your repository, you'll notice a left sidebar. Here, look for the tab labeled History. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you should see a list of all the commits that have been made in this repository. Each entry has information about when it was made and who made it. Take a moment to find the commit you want to revert. If there are multiple commits, it's usually best to revert from the most recent to the oldest. This is an important tip. Working in reverse order can help prevent any merge conflicts from cropping up. Once you've located the commit you want to undo, it's time to revert it. Just right-click on that commit, and you'll see a context menu open up. In that menu, click on the option that says Revert Changes in Commit. This action will generate a new commit that effectively undoes the changes made in the commit you selected. One key point to remember here is that the original commit doesn't disappear from your history. It remains there, which is great because it allows you to keep track of the project's evolution over time. After you select to revert the changes, GitHub Desktop will automatically create a new commit for you. You might want to add a message to this commit to indicate that you're reverting a previous change. This can be helpful for future reference. Simply type in a description like reverted commit, commit message or ID, so anyone looking at the commit history later will understand why this change was made. Once you've added your commit message, go ahead and click the button to commit those changes. And that's it. You've successfully reverted a commit using GitHub Desktop. Now, I know that this may sound a bit technical at first, but don't worry, it becomes second nature with practice. Reverting a commit is a powerful tool that can help you maintain control over your codebase. Whether you're working on a solo project or collaborating with others, knowing how to revert commits effectively can save you a lot of time and headaches. So, to recap, we navigated to the History tab in GitHub Desktop, found the commit we wanted to revert, right-clicked to select Revert Changes in Commit, added a helpful commit message, and then completed the action. You now have a solid understanding